Hello my alien students, welcome back. Hope everyone is doing good. Just a minute. Get some suckers here. 1 minute. Yeah, so what's the story today? We have a long story, a big story actually. It's been some time since I have done let's say a Revit class, recorded class, let's say, isn't it? So today's class would be we have a project today. This is in AutoCAD. Okay, we're going to convert this whole project in AutoCAD to Revit. Okay, we're going to have some couple of steps to be followed. I expect you to just follow the step. Say this is the picture of the project. Okay, we're going to do it in Revit. Okay, we have an architectural file. First we're going to do we have the architectural drawing. Okay, from here we shall proceed to create the architectural Revit file. From there we create the MEP. Okay, we're going to do the whole project. This is going to be a full area. This is going to be this picture you see. We're going to be having this full area. Okay, anyway, I hope everybody is let's say excited. We're going to start now. Okay, listen. So what you're going to do first thing you're going to do when you open any drawing is first go and open the layers. Okay, go and open the layer and see if anything is off. So what I would do is first select everything, turn everything on. Okay, you don't want to do and turn unfreeze or say thaw all the layers. Okay, all good, excellent. Now what you're going to do is, we're going to do architectural drawing, isn't it? We're going to have, this is all the walls. So just see master plan. Okay, this is going to be a linked file. So these are all contour lines. We do not want them actually. We can do everything in Revit. Okay, we can make it a beautiful file in Revit itself. Okay, we have Revit here. Okay, so this will be maybe part 2 or something. I show you how to link them. Just seeing the file, we have it in front of us. Have a look what all is there, what all is not required. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this file, save as. Okay, then I show you how do we link AutoCAD file in Revit. Okay, so our aim of this project is to convert this 2D file into a 3D model. Okay, we're going to do everything, architecture, MEP, everything. Okay, so see you all fresh in the part 2 of this video. Take care, and I think that's it for today. Yalla, bye.